A very pleasant good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine and staying at home. Dear children, this is part 2 of chapter 3, How Many Squares? In previous video, we have studied about area and the methods how to find out area. Now today, let us learn how to find out the perimeter of a polygon. What is polygon? Polygon is a simple closed figure formed of 3 or more line segments. Example, triangle, quadrilateral, etc. Now first we learn perimeter. The word perimeter comes from two Greek words, peri and metron. Peri means around and metron means measure. Thus, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Hence, it is found by adding the lengths of all sides of a closed plane figure. Today, we will learn how to find the perimeter of the polygons, triangle, rectangle and square using formulas. Let's start with a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides, side A, side B and side C. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the lengths of all its sides. Therefore, perimeter of a triangle is equal to A plus B plus C. Example, find the perimeter of a triangle having the dimensions P is equal to 7 meters, Q is equal to 8 meters and R is equal to 10 meters. We know that perimeter of triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of all its sides, which is equal to P plus Q plus R, which is equal to 7 plus 8 plus 10 gives 25 meter. Therefore, perimeter of a triangle is equal to 25 meters. Now let's look the formula of perimeter of rectangle. We have already learned that rectangle has 4 sides where its opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, perimeter of rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus breadth. Therefore, perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, where L is length and B is the breadth, which is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Example, find the perimeter of rectangle having the dimensions L is equal to 18 kilometers and breadth is equal to 12 kilometers using the formula. Perimeter of the rectangle is equal to 2 into 18 plus 12 in bracket, which is equal to 2 into 30, which is 60 kilometer. Thus, perimeter of rectangle is 60 kilometers. Finally, let's look at the perimeter of a square. We know that the lengths of the 4 sides of a square are same. Thus, perimeter of square is equal to sum of the lengths of all sides. Therefore, perimeter of square is equal to side plus side plus side plus side, which is equal to 4 times the length of a side. Example, find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 centimeters. Using the formula, P is equal to 4 into 10 centimeter, which is equal to 40 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the square is 40 centimeter. Now children, let us solve some problems related to perimeter. Question number 1 to 7 we have covered in our previous video. So today we will start from question number 8. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 6 cm, 5 cm and 3 cm. All three sides are different and we have to find out the perimeter of triangle. And we all know the formula. Perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Now add all the sides. 6 cm plus 5 cm plus 3 cm is equal to 14 cm. Remember, in perimeter we will not write the unit in square. Now let us solve B part. The sides of a triangle are given. First side is 8 cm, then 6.5 cm, third one is 2 cm. All three sides are different. Formula is perimeter of triangle is equal to sum of all sides. Now first add all the sides. 8 cm plus 6.5 cm plus 2 cm. In this, one side is given in decimal. So add. I have done the rough work. 8 can be written as 8.0 cm, then 6.5 cm, 2.0 cm. Now add all three, we get 16.5 cm. So by adding all three sides, we get 16.5 cm. Now let's move to our question number 9. Find the perimeter of a square whose side is 3 cm. Side is given and we all know the formula. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. So 4 can be written as same into side is given 3 cm. So write here 3 cm. 4 times 3 is equal to 12 cm. Now in question number 10 we have to find out the perimeter of a rectangle whose sides are given. Length is given 3 cm and the breadth is 2 cm. And we all know the formula of perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So first write 2 as same into length is 3 cm, breadth is 2 cm. Put in bracket. Now first solve the bracket, open the bracket. 3 cm plus 2 cm becomes 5 cm. Now 2 times 5 is equal to 10 cm. Dear students, this question is related to area. So let us solve this question also. Question number 11. Which has longer area? A square with side 12 meter or a rectangle whose length is 14 meter and breadth is 10 meter. In this question, we have to find out which has the longer area, a square or a rectangle. So first we will solve area of square. We all know the formula. Formula is side into side. So 12 meter into 12 meter is equal to 144 square meter. Remember, when we will find the area, we will write the unit in square. Now find the area of rectangle. Formula of area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is given 14 meter and the breadth is given 10 meter. 14 meter into 10 meter is equal to 140 square meter. Now we have to compare both the area. Area of square is 144 square meter and area of rectangle is 140 square meter. Which has more area? Yes, area of square has more area. Therefore, we can write square has longer area. My dear children, I hope you all have understood what is perimeter and how to find the perimeter of triangle, square and rectangle. Now learn all the formulas and solve the questions by yourself in your math notebook. Thank you. God bless you. Have a fantastic day.